Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download the Figma app on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download the Figma app on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, you will need to go to the official website of Figma, since that's where we will download the app, so just search this on your search bar. Make sure to enter this correctly so you will be directed to the website. And after searching, you will now be on the downloading website of Figma. So to download the Figma app on this website, just scroll down a little and then you will now be able to see the download options for the app. But since this tutorial is about how to download it on desktop, this is where we will focus since these are the download options for the desktop version of Figma. So here, you can see different download links for the desktop version of the app. Now what you will choose here will depend on the device you are using. For example, if you're using a MacBook, this is the link you should select, but if you're using a Windows PC or laptop, this is the version for you to select. In my case, I'm using a Windows laptop, so I will just choose this version. And after clicking the link, your Figma installer will now start downloading. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you can now click the file to start installing the app. And after that, there you go guys, it's done. Your Figma app will now be installed on your PC or laptop. So just log in or create your Figma account and then you will be able to use the app. In my case, I already have an account in Figma, so I will just log it in right here. And once you've logged in your account, it's done. Congratulations, you can now fully use the Figma app just like that. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.